We live in a very mysterious universe. It contains many objects with different mass and size, traveling at different speed, such as cars and aeroplanes. But not just this, even huge stars and galaxies are changing their positions. Thus, universe contains things which are as small as a tiny needle to huge massive black holes. Black holes are deadly. But what about a needle? The answer is same. Needles are also deadly if its speed is increased. So today we are going to figure out what if a needle traveling at the speed of light travels towards Earth pointing straight to us. But wait, can we make a needle to accelerate to the speed of light? The simple answer is no, because anything that has mass cannot travel at the speed of light. Because Einstein gave us the conclusion that to travel at the speed of light, we need infinite energy. So, in this video, we are gonna make our needle to travel at the 99.9% of the speed of light. Let's see what happens. Our Earth is constantly bombarded by various cosmic bodies present in our solar system. But we don't even notice them as most of them are burnt entering our atmosphere. But also sometimes they manage to enter Earth and create some noise. Also, all these bodies are moving at very slow speed compared to the insane speed of light. Let's understand with an example. The meteor that destroyed the dinosaur was moving at the speed of 60 to 69,000 km per hour only. In this case, we have a needle which is negligible to the size of the meteor, but it has a tremendous speed of light. It's little confusing. So let's take a simple example of a ball. Imagine if a ball is pointed to someone, it will not create much injury, but if its speed is increased, the result that we all know. And here the speed is not normal speed of a ball, but we are talking about the speed of light. Now you might have been thinking about the needle should burn in the atmosphere as other small meteoroids and cosmic objects does. But here the case is different due to its insane speed. The needle will not burn in atmosphere. The real problem with the needle is its kinetic energy. For your knowledge, if a single grain of sand is accelerated to the speed of light and the kinetic energy produced while the collision will be the same as an object which weighs about 100 tons falls on your head from a 15-story high building. Destruction caused by this tiny needle is as same as 43 kg TNT bomb. For comparison, the nuclear bomb dropped at the Nagasaki was 21 kilotons of TNT, which means the needle will be as powerful as two Fat Man bombs dropped at Nagasaki. For example, if this needle hits in the center of the Indian capital New Delhi with the amount of kinetic energy, the areas of the New Delhi, some parts of Noida, Ghaziabad, Haryana and Punjab will be converted into ashes in seconds, and all the Indian historical monuments near that area will be destroyed. Also, the crater formed due to collision might be of the minimum 2 km radius, and the areas coming in the 5 km magnitude will be totally destroyed due to the very high amount of earthquake. Now, you might think that what will happen to the needle after the collision? So, here's the answer. It will enter the Earth's surface and will pass through the incredible hot core. Temperature of the Earth's core is literally comparable to the temperature of our sun. Here, the core stops and melts the needle. Wait, here all we goes wrong. Because in this case, the core will not be able to stop the needle due to its insane speed. Because the needle will pass through the core so quickly that the core will not be able to stop or melt the needle in such a small amount of particular time. For most of the scientists believe that the needle will pass through the earth by digging straight inside the earth. Also, some of the researchers believe that due to the needle passing through the core of the earth will be torn apart due to the needle passing through the earth faster than you. What if the needle falls on a person? The person will feel the same as if the Statue of Liberty falls on his head from the height of above 15th-floor building. But due to the needle's speed and its smaller size, it will pass through your body and rest of the body will not feel anything. Even though some amount of needle's kinetic energy will decrease and temperature of his body will increase. Due to the friction, the needle with its insane speed will pass through your body in no seconds, leaving a small but a perfect hole through your body. But in any case, this tiny needle will not be able to kill all the humans at the same time.